Hey guys, this is day 11 of a series that I started on my channel Tuning Data. In this series, I am solving 100 real business problems in Power BI. So if you have not seen previous video, you can just click on the I button. You can watch all the previous videos there. In today's question, you will know how we calculate running total in Power BI. So without any delay, let's open your Power BI desktop and learn and practice together. So let's start today's question now. So guys, this is my Power BI homepage here, and this is day 11 of 100 business question series in Power BI. And the question for today is create a Power BI report that shows a line chart of daily sales amount for the last 7 days, a measure that calculates the running total of sales amount by date, a card visuals that shows the total sales amount for the last 7 days, and a table visual showing each date, daily sales, running total and percentage of total sales. So this is the question that we are going to solve today and we will create some visuals here. So before proceeding with the question, let me show you the data that we are going to use today in this question. Let's open this table view here. And this is the data that we have for today's question. This is the sales table. In this table, we have these three columns like sale ID, sale date and amount. And another one, we have created this calendar table here, which will store the unique dates. Okay, we have already built relationship between these two tables, which is one to many relationship on the basis of this date column. The cardinality is one to many. So now let's start solving question. Okay, so before moving forward, let me create some measures like for total sales and the sales for last 7 days. So let's start creating measure here. Click on new measure. So first I'm going to create here total sales, which will be the calculate sum of amount, and then we are going to use here all public sales. Okay, so let's close this bracket here. So this is our total sales measure, guys. Let me show you this in a card visual here. So this is the card visual, and let me select this total sales in this card. Okay, so this is 23.20k, which is the total sales for entire days that we have in this data set. Now we are going to calculate the total sales only for the last 7 days. Okay, so let's create this measure here. Sales in last 7 days. Okay, for that I'm going to use our calculate, and this will be like we can use our total sales. No, don't use our total sales, sum of sale amount. Okay, and then we are going to use for the filter purpose dates in period. The date will be date from the calendar table. Okay, the start date will be today. The intervals will be 7 days minus 7. Okay, so let's run this query now. So this is last 7 days sales measure here. Let me show this in a card visual here. So this is last 7 days sales here, which is 10.85k. Okay, now I'm going to create a measure which will show the running total for last 7 days. Okay, so let's create this measure here, which will be the running total. For that I'm going to use here calculate. The sum will be sales in last 7 days. For the filter purpose I'm going to use here all selected, and this will be like sale date. I want each date. Okay, and now I want to filter like sale date should be less than equal to maximum of sale date. Okay, so this is the query that we have written here for the running total calculation. Okay, so let's run this query here, and let me show you the running total in a table chart. So this is the table chart here. Let me show you the date. Let's drag this sale date in this table chart, and now last 7 days sales. Okay, and then running total. So guys, as you can see here in this chart, let me zoom it out for you. So as you can see here, we have created this chart here which is showing the sale date for the last 7 days and the total sales in the last 7 days. Like in 18/6/2025 it's 1950, in 19/6/2025 it's 1200, and this is the running total column which is showing the running total. Okay, as you can see here that for the 18 it's 1950, for the 19/6/2025 it's like 3150, the sum of 1200 and 1950. Okay, so this is the running total we have calculated here. Now let me show you one thing. Like we have created like this measure for the calculate the running total of the sales amount. We have created this card visual. We have shown this table visual which is showing the each date, daily sales and running total. Now we have to create the percentage of total sales. Okay, so let's create this measure which is the percentage of total sales. Percentage of total sales. For that I'm going to use a divide. For the numerator it's the last 7 days sales. For the denominator it's total sales. Okay, and for the rest it's 0 and then multiplied by 100. So this is the percentage of total sales. Let me show you this in table chart. So this is the total sales percentage for each day in last 7 days. Okay, if you want to show this line chart for daily sales amount of last 7 days, you can also show this. Let me show you this in a line chart. So this is the line chart, and let's drag this date on the x-axis. Okay, and sales in last 7 days. So this is the last 7 days sales line chart, guys. So this is the last 7 days sales trend, we can say it. Okay, let's drag this cards here. So we have completed this question. We have created this chart which is showing the daily trends for the last 7 days sales. We have calculated this table which is showing the date, last 7 days sales, running total and percentage of total sales. We have created these 2 cards which is showing the total sales in the last 7 days sales. So this is all about today's question, guys. If you want to get this data, you can go through the link given in the description of this video. You will get all this data on my GitHub profile. Okay, if you want to know something related to Power BI, SQL or data analytics or any career help, you can just DM me on my LinkedIn profile. I will make sure that I will reply you there. So let's wrap up this video now. So I hope, guys, this video will really make an impact in your future analysis in Power BI. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your friend and save for the future reference. I will meet you in the next video with the next question. Till then, goodbye.